Hello everyone, I'm now here in Shing Mun Reservoir in the Pinapple Dam Nature Trail. I think the trail is called like that because there was once a huge plantation around the area when the dam was being built. The trail is very accessible. You can take a minibus directly to the starting point from the Tsuen Wan MTR station. It is a very leisurely, family-friendly walk where there is not a lot of steep inclines. The trail is very well paved and concrete. Around the trail you'll see a lot of monkeys and some cows around the open fields. So yeah, it's a very nice day today. The sky is blue, not much clouds, and we actually am waiting for the sunset. It's right now the golden hour, so the pictures should be very nice today. So yeah, stick around and hopefully you guys like this video and enjoy. Flowers. People are celebrating love. Got some tears. Ask the question. Is she gonna say yes? He's embarrassed. But oh. Good guy. It's the alpha monkey. Okay, never mind.
Not so alpha anymore. Such foreign creatures.
Do it like National Geographic or something.
You gotta zoom in and stay there for like half an hour.
Yeah.
I think of a tagline.
Monkey business. I got a dam. I got pineapple. Pineapple dam.
I cannot.